Thermostat not talking to your HVAC system can totally mess up your comfort and leave you sweating or freezing, so fixing that connection fast is key. Okay, so first off, check the wiring, because sometimes those little wires get loose or messed up. Make sure everything's snug where it plugs into the thermostat and the HVAC control board. Next, try resetting your thermostat and HVAC system by turning off the power at the breaker for about a minute, then flipping it back on. This often clears out any weird glitches. If your thermostat is smart or Wi-Fi enabled, see if there's a firmware update available. Manufacturers drop updates to fix bugs and improve communication. Also, double check that your thermostat is compatible with your HVAC system, because some units just don't play nice together. Don't forget to inspect your circuit breakers and fuses. Sometimes a tripped breaker or blown fuse can cause communication breakdowns. If you're using a wireless thermostat, make sure the batteries have enough juice and that the transmitter and receiver aren't too far apart or blocked by thick walls. Sometimes interference from other electronics can mess with signals, so try moving stuff around if you suspect that. Lastly, if you're still stuck, it's worth calling in a pro to avoid accidentally frying your system or making things worse. One of the biggest screw-ups people make with thermostat HVAC communication problems is ignoring the wiring. Loose or damaged wires are a top cause, so always double-check those connections first. Another common issue is skipping the firmware update. Outdated software can cause your thermostat to lose sync with the HVAC, so keep it current. Third, people often forget to reset their systems when things act weird. A quick power cycle can fix a lot of communication errors without hassle. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and deliver quality work. It also helps contractors get connected with clients who need their services, making home projects way easier for everyone involved.